Understanding the phrase, Later Gator. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. In today's video, we are going to explore a fun and quirky phrase in English, Later Gator. This is a phrase you might hear in casual conversations, and it's a great example of playful language in English. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Later Gator is a casual, playful way of saying goodbye. It's a rhyming phrase that originated in American English and is often used among friends or in informal settings. The word, later, is a shortened form of see you later, which means goodbye, and gator is short for alligator. But why an alligator? It's simply because it rhymes with later. There's no deeper meaning about alligators here. It's just for fun. This phrase is best used in informal situations with people you are familiar with, like friends or close colleagues. It's not appropriate for formal or professional settings. You can use it when leaving a social gathering, ending a casual conversation, or even when signing off on a casual email or message with someone you know well. Remember, it's all about the tone. Keep it light and playful. Interestingly, there are variations to this phrase, like, in a while, crocodile, which is a playful response to later gator. These types of phrases are part of a larger category in English called rhyming slang. They add a fun element to conversations and are a great way to sound more natural and fluent in your English communication. So, that's all about the phrase, Later Gator. It's a fun, light-hearted way to say goodbye in English, adding a bit of playfulness to your conversations. We hope you enjoyed learning about this phrase and can use it to spice up your English interactions. Remember, language learning can be fun, and phrases like these prove it. Keep practicing, and see you later, or should I say, Later Gator.